Top 5 Best Glue for Shoe Sole Repair. In this video we only show available, and our picks, for best glue for shoe sole repair. Number 1. Loctite Super Glue, Ultra Gel Control, 0.14 fluid ounces, 6, bottle. Rubber, toughened, Loctite's most durable cyanoacrylate, super glue formula, resists water, impact, shock, vibration for materials subject to daily use and harsh conditions. No drip or run, no mess formula, is ideal, a patented, easy side squeeze, bottle design for maximum control, and pinpoint accuracy, and application. Number 2. Gorilla Super Glue Gel, XL, 25 gram, clear, pack of 1. Anti-clog cap, helps keep the glue from drying out. It's Gorilla Tough use after use. Fast setting, dries, in 10 to 45 seconds. No clamping, required. Versatile, bonds, plastic, wood, metal, ceramic, rubber, leather, paper, and more. Not recommended, for use on polyethylene, or polypropylene, plastic, or similar, materials. Number 3. Shoe Glue Repair, Adhesive, for fixing worn shoes, or boots, clear, 3.7 ounce, tube. Shoe repair and protective coating for leather, vinyl, rubber or canvas. Bonds, protects and rebuilds, for a permanent repair. Excellent, sealant, perfect for patching small holes. Waterproof, bond remains secure, even when exposed to water. Number 4. Bootfix Shoe Glue, instant, professional, grade shoe repair glue. Not just regular super glue. It's what the professionals use. We know, because we've been doing shoe repair for 3 generations. Professional, strength and flexible, shoe glue that bonds almost instantly, with no clamping. Doesn't expand or dry thick like the other leading brands. Number 5. Gorilla Clear Glue, 5.75 ounce bottle, clear. Crystal clear. Non-foaming. Water resistant. Incredibly strong. Bonds virtually everything: wood, stone, metal, ceramic, foam, glass, and more. Subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon, for latest, top best product.